coronavirus.
In order to be safe, everyone should wear the mask to avoid the spread of COVID-19. This gives two levels of protection. First, it will block the droplets carrying germs from leaving the mask when someone breathes out.
Second, if any droplets do leave person's mouth, they are blocked from entering the nose and the mouth of the other person by the mask they are wearing.
The key to all this working is to wear the mask properly. Let's review how to do this.
Limiting the face-to-face contact with others is the best way to reduce the spread of coronavirus disease.
Social distancing, also called physical distancing, means keeping space between yourself and the other people outside of your home.
To practice social and physical distancing, stay at least 6 feet, about 2 arms length from the other people. In the vegetable market, one must encourage to pick the vegetables by wearing the mask and the gloves compulsorily.
While in the shopping or any time in public, one must wear the mask to stay safe in the fight against COVID-19. Now, let's see the do's and the don'ts of the mask.
This is absolutely a wrong way to wear the mask.
Do maintain the hand hygiene. Sanitize your hands for minimum 20 seconds before wearing the mask.
Make sure the flexible band of the mask fits your nose bridge and ensure your mouth and the lower chin is completely covered, including both your earlobes.
Precaution needs to be taken even while removing the mask. If you remove the mask this way, there is a high chance of getting infected to the virus.
Always remove the mask in a right way, because the front surface of the mask remains contaminated on the regular use. So while removing the mask, perform the hand hygiene, avoid the touching of the contaminated surface, grasp the elastic of the mask, then carefully remove the other side.
Disposal of the mask. Never dispose the used mask here and there. It may pose a grave threat to you and others as well.
Right disposal. Once the mask is removed, make sure it's directly disposed into the waste bins without the direct contact of your skin.
You alone being cautious can break the chain and protect the world.
It is a health that is a real wealth, not the piece of gold or silver.
As the responsible citizen, thank you for doing your part to keep us all safe and protected. Stay home, stay safe.